So first, wrap it around on this side right here. So this engine turns counterclockwise, so this has to be tight on this side and then slot on this side. So wrap it around, and on this setup I like to put a wedge, doing a wedge here, and it helps me hold this belt against the crank. Wedge like that, and make sure of course you're on DVC on the cam and the crank. And now next in this water pump right here, this water pump don't need to be timed or anything. I'll push this thing down, all the way down. Alright, so give a little bit of turn on the crank. Slow snag.